Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about reduction variables. So I will put about v equals to y minus s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have number one dy over ds. This one we have number one ds over ds. So because this one we can cancel and we can put like this. Now we know that first derivative of y, that is about dy over ds. Now I will put negative number 1 go to the left, and we have dv over ds plus number 1 equals to dy over ds. So this one we change for v. This one we change for this one, because this one equals to this one. So I will put positive number 1 go in here, and we have negative number 1. Now we have the formula in here. So number 1 we change for this one. So cosine v square minus cosine v square, we just have only negative sine v square. So I will put this one go to the right, ds go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have s. The integration of this one, we have negative cotangent v, and I will put about c. So about v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.